if I am going to prepare for NEET 2026 in the 25 days நான் என்ன வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்டா பண்ண போறோம்னு இந்த சிங்கிள் வீடியோல I'm going to disclose. And Gana, it's not just my take on it. I have a doctor friend of mine. She's right now preparing for NEET PG. So she also told me what she did last 30 days, and I will show you the chats between us. So remember that when I'm making any videos, I also do a lot of research. I also talk to your seniors, I talk to my friends who are currently in their dream medical college, who are doctors already. So in the friend of mine has helped me also to understand நம்ம 30 days என்ன வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டா இருக்கு. And gonna trust me, certain points வந்து ரொம்ப like I felt like it was so, so sharp. Like certain points that she told me was so sharp that I have not seen any medico, I've not seen any medico influencers talking about it, because proper and the 30 days with a mindset she has told me. So I will be disclosing that also with all of you. So gonna make sure that you are sitting till the end of the video, because I have a lot of surprises also for you. Before that, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because you can already see that every information that I'm putting is with lot of research, is with lot of talking, it's with also understanding நம்ம ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு இந்த ஒரு மொமெண்ட்ல என்ன தேவையா இருக்கு. இப்போ நீங்க வந்து கிரிட்டிசைஸ் பண்ணலாம், எதுக்கு மேம் 30 days பிளான் அதுக்கப்புறம் 25 days பிளான். ட்ரஸ்ட் மீ கண்ணா, ஐ டீல் வித் thousands of students every day. எல்லா வீடியோஸுமே மினிமம் ஒரு 3K 4K 10K போலாம். அந்த 10K வியூஸ்ல இப்போ மெஜாரிட்டி ஒரு 10 to 15 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து சேம் கொஸ்டின் கேட்பாங்க. மேம் 25 டேஸ்ல என்ன பண்ணணும் மேம், எனக்கு வந்து எதுவுமே தெரியாது மேம், என்ன பண்ண முடியும். அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்காக எல்லா வீடியோஸுமே ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்டா. Do not just think about yourself, think that we are approaching a bigger crowd and we are helping a bigger crowd. So let's directly get into the mission 500 plus in 25 days. Now, practically, statistically, some of the doctor students told me that ma'am 25 days la 500 plus kandipa edukka mudiyum ma'am, but some conditions are. They told me 3 strict conditions that you're not supposed to cross. In case neenga adu follow pannilena, in the 500 plus is not possible. First, let me show you the chats between us. So idha my chats with her, and she told me these few things, okay, that what we have to do. Idila most sharp ana I felt like konjo different ana points on enada, especially nama 6th point. Don't ever think about the results, because just 30 days is already less time, not to waste time on the imagination of question paper. ரொம்ப வீடியோஸ் வந்துட்டே இருக்க, predictor paper இல்லனா leak ஆச்சு paper. But கண்ணா, trust me, see, no hate for anyone who is doing it. Love their work, let them do it. But நீங்க வந்து அந்த பேப்பர் பத்தி இமேஜின் பண்ணி இந்த இருக்கிற 25 டேஸ்ல 5-10 டேஸ் பேப்பர் எப்படி இருக்கும் மேம், என்டிஏ வந்து ரிவெஞ்ச் எடுக்குமா, என்டிஏ வந்து என்ன பண்ண போறாங்க, அந்த மாதிரி தாட்ஸ் வந்து நீங்க அவாய்ட் பண்ண, which I felt is one of the valid points which majority of the people don't tell. Majority of the people tell that think about the paper, think about the consequences, but she told that in the வரப்போற 30 days 25 days. So I messaged her a few days back. So கொஞ்சம் ரிப்ளை லேட்டா தான் வந்துச்சு, அதனால தான் 25 days ஒரு 5 days கேப். So she told not to worry about the consequences, because time ரொம்ப லிமிட்டடா இருக்கு. அந்த லிமிட்டட் டைம்ல பேப்பர் எப்படி இருக்கும், கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் எப்படி இருக்கும், என்டிஏவோட மைண்ட் செட் எப்படி இருக்கும்னு நமக்கு வந்து டைமே கிடையாதுடா டு திங்க் அபவுட் இட். So she's like, don't think about the results, just put the hard work. Now coming to the 7th point, very interesting ஆன point da, whatever topics don't stay in the memory, make a note of it on a separate sheet of paper and stick it on the wall in front of you. You don't have to read it every day, but let it be there right in front of your eyes. அது வந்து சூப்பர் டூப்பரா இருக்கு. இமேஜின் பண்ண, ஒரு டாபிக் வந்து தெரியலன்னா நம்ம யூஸ்வலி என்ன பண்ணோட ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும், இல்லைன்னா கண்டினியூஸ்லி அந்த டாபிக் பத்தி பேசிட்டே இருக்கும். பட் ஷீ இஸ் டெல்லிங் தட் ஜஸ்ட் ரைட் இட் டவுன் ஆன் அ வால், லைக் இன் அ பீஸ் ஆஃப் பேப்பர், ஸ்டிக் இட் ஆன் யோர் வால். Even if you don't revise every day, automatically அது பார்க்கும்போது sometime when you're free, you will open the book and start revising. Okay, next point she is telling is divide the day into 3 parts. ரொம்ப important. After revision in the morning, start a major subject. Morning revision kapram start a major subject. I'm so grateful to her. Just imagine, for random students, okay, like she doesn't even know any of you, nor she knows which kind of students I am talking about, but she sat and typed almost 10 points for all of you. That is how a real, I feel, a doctor can feel நம்ம ஃபியூச்சர் டாக்டர்ஸோட அந்த ஒரு ஃபீலிங், அந்த ஒரு லாஸ்ட் 30 டேஸ்ல இருக்கிற ஒரு டென்ஷன் எல்லாருமே கிரிட்டிசைஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. 25 டேஸ்ல நீ என்ன பண்ண போற? பட் ஆனா she never even judged anything. She didn't judge anything, and she was like, she directly told me what she did in 30 days. That itself shows Kana that one doctors or a person who has gone through that, no, they are very helpful, like they want to help all of you. So future doctors, don't worry, ellarume in the stage la da poite irukka, but let's see how much better we can do. That is why I'm telling you, make sure you're joining this family, you're part of this community. We can go together, we can fight together. So Kana, again I'm coming back. After revision, Kana, in the morning start with a major subject. After lunch, when you tend to drowse, sleeping time la, start with a subject like physics which involves numbers. Solve panna, so brain automatically trigger aga start agumda. Okay, idu vandu enno solve pannidi iruka, so I'll be forced to study, I will be forced to solve the question. So after lunch try to do this. Adikapram after dinner do a short subject topic that makes you happy and you can sleep with no stress. That is awesome tip again. Like before going to sleep, give a small dopamine rush. ஒரு சின்ன dopamine rush கொடுத்தேன்னா நீங்க வந்து அந்த ஸ்லீப் பண்ணும்போது ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் ஃப்ரீயா ஸ்லீப் பண்ணலாம். பிகாஸ் மெஜாரிட்டி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மெசேஜ் மீ தட் மேம் இந்த ஒரு டைம்ல ஐ ஸ்லீப் at 3 o'clock, I sleep at 5 o'clock in the morning, I am not getting sleep at all, I can't sleep at all. I still remember a comment on one of my video, ma'am I can't sleep at all. So அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்காக give a dopamine rush, give a happy rush to your body. Study something that you know very well, or it's a topic that you know anytime I study and the topic on the super duper it's entering my head. Give a dopamine rush and then go to sleep so you can sleep very very well. Now don't let anyone including yourself to decide about your results. Shut the outside noise. I've told you this offline center la also, I told you in Chennai as well as Madurai, I told namakku வந்து outside noise ரொம்ப அதிகமா இருக்கும். So நமக்கு maximum என்ன பண்ணலாம், அது எல்லாமே shut பண்ணலாம். Don't let another person predict your results, tell about your results. You also don't predict your results, work hard for it. Okay, so these are some of the most important. See here, whenever anxiety arises, இதுமே ரொம்ப important தான். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு வந்து இந்த லாஸ்ட் மினிட்ல ஆன்சைட்டி ரொம்ப அதிகமா இருக்கு, மார்க் பேப்பர் சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு அந்த கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் கிடையாது. அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு when anxiety arises, what she has told is just solve previous year MCQs, not new MCQs, because if that goes wrong then you will only increase your anxiety. So anxiety வரும்போது என்ன பண்ண, ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா I told you, close your eyes, start counting numbers from 10 to 1 reverseல, 10 9 8 7 அந்த மாதிரி, and then solve the question which you have already done. So automatically kana ஒரு positive energy வரும்டா. Okay, எனக்கு வந்து இது already தெரியும், I'm good, I'm able to do well. See, you have to motivate yourself, you should not push yourself down. So அதுக்காக தான் don't do new MCQs, do already existing previous year MCQs which will help you boost your preparation. This is a very very personalized message for my We Need Tamil Nadu students. As a teacher, I have approached my friend. As a friend, she has responded back to me. So this is only for my We Need Tamil Nadu students. Very very personalized message for you. Idhila neenga vandu modify pannalam, konja change pannalam. Your seniors have told you something that is working for you, please follow that. Okay, now coming to the plan dakana enna pannam. See, I told you few doctor students told me 3 conditions. Enna endachu first condition, first of all I asked them 0 to 500 plus 25 days la possible ah. They told me yes ma'am, mathematically probability based possible ah irukku. Second thing I asked them was I see a lot of videos 650 plus 700 plus in 25 days. So I asked them 600 plus possible. They told me a very clear no, because they told that miracles cannot happen ma'am, mathematical probability check pannalam but miracles cannot happen. But then I asked them in the 500 plus எப்படி பாசிபிளா இருக்கும், because 25 டேஸ்ல ஒரு காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம் கிராக் பண்றது கொஞ்சம் அன்ரியலிஸ்டிக்கா தான் இருக்கு. ஸோ அதை எப்படி கிராக் பண்றது? They told me 3 conditions. I don't know how many of you will be able to follow it, but I have trust on my GMAs. I know that you guys will do it, but let's move forward. Kana time under they told 15 to 16 hours of vigorous study. This shocked me a little in the starting. Then they told me ma'am 25 days மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு மேம். இந்த 25 டேஸ்ல ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு வந்து எதுவுமே சாக்ரிஃபைஸ் பண்ண முடியலன்னா எப்படி மேம் 500 plus possible? அந்த கொஸ்டின் கேட்டப்போ even I felt very correct. Yeah, correct. No, அந்த கொஸ்டின் கரெக்டா தான் இருக்கு. Next one, strict adherence to high weightage chapters. The minimum chapters I give you, the weightage based chapters I give you, under 40 chapters la நம்ம stick பண்ணி thorough pannam. That is what they told me. Next one kana zero distraction, complete isolation. Varapora 25 days la neenga vanda completely isolate pannam without any distractions. Clear ah? In the video வந்து கொஞ்சம் long ஆக போகுதா, because I have spoken to so many people, I have so many insights and I want to give everything together to all of you. So அதனால, and one more thing I have, I am coming to Coimbatore on this Sunday. Ma'am, இந்த ஒரு டைம்ல நீங்க வந்துச்சுன்னா waste of time ஆகலாம். No. Main reason என்னன்னா, many of you told me, ma'am, in the NEET Warrior book, how much ever you can supply to us, how much ever you can come and give it to our offline centers, please do come and give us. So அதுக்காக one step to come to Coimbatore. Second வந்து இந்த டைம்ல கொஞ்சம் பர்சனலைஸ்டா ஓகே பேசுறதுக்காக, அதே மாதிரி சென்னை மதுரையில ரொம்ப ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து they message me personally and told, ma'am, just by meeting you I felt so much confident. So I think I should also go to multiple places and help the student. So adukkaga I am coming to Coimbatore on a Sunday, just a one day event kana, but trust me, I will spend more time with you. Nama Chennai la konjo a flight to the problem irunducha because of the ongoing problems, everything. So in Coimbatore I have made sure that the flights are not very close. I can sit and talk one-on-one with all of you. I can explain concepts. I can write and give you a planner. And the mari or plan vechirukka. So what you have to do, again, fill the description box la irukra form. So I know how many students are coming, how many books I have to print. Adu mattum da irukka. I know a lot of the students are telling me, ma'am, please come to other states also, because we are following you from the English channel. Hyderabad la a lot of students are there. Delhi la romba students are there. I understand completely. Possible ah irundha or centralize ella NEET வரப்போற like in the sense, even the AP Telangana English teachers, if everyone are meeting, then I will definitely come to other places as well to just give you all these books. Okay, totally depends on Kana Coimbatore plan, totally depends on how many students are coming. Students வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருந்துச்சுன்னா then there is no point of me traveling also. So அதுக்காக register the form as well as share the registration form with all your friends also who are preparing with you in the offline center in your area as well. Okay, clear ada? So this is the 3 non-negotiable that the students have told me. And kana இதுதா aim என்ன, ஒரு 300 plus இல்லனா ஒரு 350, I am telling you 330 plus in biology easily possible irukka, and 100 to 120 in chemistry and 80 marks in physics. This is the planner that they gave me for a 500 marks target, because paper vanda difficult moderate and ஒரு 500 plus to 527 cut off இருக்கும், safe score இருக்கும். So அந்த safe score நம்ம மைண்ட்ல வெச்சா இதுதான் நம்மளோட மார்க் ஃபோக்கஸ் ஆயிருக்கும்டா. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் சீஹியா எப்படி ஸ்டடி பண்ணணும், ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் தான். 4 hours of course study, 1 hour of revision, 1 hour of PYQ practice. Ipo you already know in my classes I'm doing 5 hours of classes, 1 hour of revision practice. 17th kapra I'm going to do maximum question practice mattum. Concepts will be only like brush through. Now for other subjects also they're telling the same thing. 4 hours of practice, 20 minutes of revision, and PYQ practice for 40 minutes. Can you see how the time is reducing? And 3 hours of course study, 20 minutes of revision, 40 minutes of physics la practice, because biology revision is very important and PYQs also reading is very important. So adakaga that time reduction we have done. Why? Because this will also help you prepare well for your NEET 2026, and the speed and accuracy increase pandradhukku this will be the best thing for all of you. Got it? Now can I see a PYQ practice minimum of 5 years is what everyone told me. Every doctors out there, every seniors of yours told me that, ma'am, minimum 5 years அவர் வந்து practice பண்ண ma'am. Some students also told me physics இல்ல possible ஆயிருந்தா ஒரு 35 years questions also if they can practice well and good, they told me. Okay, so then this is the 4 step things that you have to do. Watch one short lecture, take the processing, that is write down the notes, then do active revision for 20 to 30 minutes, do PYQ practice for 40 to 60 minutes. Majority students tell me, ma'am, 10 o'clock class appuram eppadi ma'am revise pandrathu? You have to take half an hour break, sit till 12 o'clock, revise the topic, then only go to sleep. See Kana, everyone I spoke to, first they were a little angry with me because I was telling them 25 days la eppadi da possible irukka. First they were a little angry, then they told me, ma'am, if your students are not ready to work day and night, it is not possible. And they are all students who went through this phase da. Unga madriye last year ellame future doctors are in the students. My friends also right now they are in their NEET PG preparation. Some of them have already crossed NEET PG, some of them have got all India ranks also in NEET PG. அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாருமே அந்த phase கூட they have gone through it. So அந்த phase ல இருக்கிறவரை சொல்லும்போது you have to take it more seriously, because they know how difficult it is to sit for 16 to 13 hours and study. Still if they are telling you guys that you have to do it, you have to do it. If your dream is that, if you don't have a choice front of you, this is the only option. So please take it very seriously, Rakana, because they are also going to watch this video. They are also going to be, they told me, ma'am, in the video post pannadukku appuram, please share the video with us. So they are also going to watch the video. They are also going to see your comments. So make sure you're commenting something motivating, you're thanking them, so they know that, okay, there are a lot of future doctors who are in by them, who wants to become like them, who wants to go through their path. So make sure to let them know in the comments also, okay? Because kana இந்த ஒரு டைம்ல எல்லாருமே selfish தானா. No one likes to help anyone. That is the kind of generation we are in. That is the kind of society we are in. So if someone is helping us, we should always give them everything possible to them. Clear? So this is the basic thing, kana. Now see here, which are the chapters. In the chapters pati, yesterday only I have made a video, so I am not going to go into that, but they all told me one very simple post analysis protocol which I want to disclose with all of you. See kana, day 21, day 24 la full mock test வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டா இருக்கும். But how to do the mock test? See here, review the entire paper immediately after the post test. இப்போ நீங்க வந்து ஏகலவ்யா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸா இருக்கலாம், நம்ம ஆல் இந்தியா டெஸ்ட் சீரிஸ் நம்பிக்கை ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸா இருக்கலாம், இல்லைன்னா நீங்க வந்து அதர் ஆஃப்லைன் சென்டர்ஸ்ல ஆன்லைன்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணியிருக்கிற ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருக்கலாம். Any students for that matter, நீங்க டெஸ்ட் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் immediately you have to do a post paper analysis. Very 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 important. பேப்பர் பார்த்தா உடனே இந்த क्वेश्चन தெரியுமா, இந்த क्वेश्चन தெரியாதான்னு நீங்க வந்து ஆல்ரெடி அனலைஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு OMR ஷீட்ல you would have done the work. டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த போஸ்ட் பேப்பர் அனாலிசிஸ் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். பிகாஸ் yesterday also I told you, a fool is the one who repeats his mistakes after and after. A topper will never repeat a mistake. இப்போ நீங்க வந்து ஒரு you pointed it out, ma'am, நீங்க இது மாதிரி சொல்றது சரியில்லை மேம், இல்லைன்னா நீங்க PYQs இல்லைன்னா ஒரு சாப்டரோட நோட்ஸ் வந்து அப்டேட் ஆகல மேம், immediately I take action to correct it. Not because you people are going to appreciate, or not because the student who told that will come back and appreciate me. Very rarely that happens on YouTube. Majority students on the message போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் they'll tell tata bye bye and go. But it is for me to improve. So that way you should also improve from your mock test. Next one, log every single mistake in the dedicated error notebook. Kana every person out there is talking about error notebook. Ippome error notebook start panama students. Please start it now. Better than, do it now. Okay, because innu konjam late aachna kana it will go out of your hand. You will not be in your control, because your situation will change day by day as you get closer to the exam, and the fear will pop in, and the tension will pop in, frustration will pop in, people's conversation will pop in. So neenga vandu indha time la da idu ellame change panna mudiyum. Innu time irukada, never late than before, and mari or quote irukla. So identify the exact micro topic of wrong answers and revise it instantly. Micro topics, எந்த சின்ன சின்ன டாபிக்ஸ்ல டவுட் இருக்கோ அந்த டாபிக்ஸ் வந்து அப்போவே ரிவைஸ் பண்ணணும். Why? Because micro topics can accumulate and they can become multi-conceptual topics. Okay, and can I see here, absolute rule, never repeat the mistake twice. ரொம்ப straightforward da, never repeat the mistake twice. Clear? Now I will not go detail into this, but I have two things for all of you. First of all, I'm coming to Coimbatore the coming Sunday in the weekend today. Okay, in the weekend la, and for that you have to register now. Link in the description box la irukka. First link da to meet Gopika ma'am, register. So all the Coimbatore students, yaar vandu Coimbatore la close by irukro and ella students may please try to come in. Again, this meetup is totally depend on registration romba kammiya irundhuchna we will not be traveling kada, because nama YouTube classes also will get affected, nama batch classes also will get affected, and we do not want to come there and see 5-6 students in an entire classroom. So adanale if all of you are registering, adukapram da in the confirmation varum, they will call you and tell you the location. Coimbatore VLC center la irukum, time and everything I will let you know in the coming days. Okay, so first neenga vandu register panna, make sure your friends also get to know about it, because many of them Chennai and Madurai event la came with their friends, avaroda offline center la friends, avaroda area friends who are also preparing for NEET. So and mari neengalum vandu you can come. It is very nice to meet all the students. Okay, second thing da kana namma most non negotiable ena, phone. Delete Instagram, delete WhatsApp, keep only Telegram, because Telegram la majority of the notes and communication will happen. Delete everything else. Next 25 days you have to isolate yourself. That is your comeback plan. Isolate yourself. Students, in a forest, a lion is still the king even if he is alone. Even if he is with a group, you should also be like that. நீங்க வந்து ஒரு group ல இருந்தாலும் அந்த aura you should maintain. How do you maintain that aura? Isolating yourself. fight for what is wrong, fight for what is wrong, and then improve from that. Fight for what is wrong, and not to fight with outside people, inside you. Every day you will have distractions, phone scrolling, Ilana sleeping, dozing away, Ilana giving excuses in a 3 hours class. Fight with that. You are the only person who can fight with yourself. You are the only person who can point fingers at yourself better than another person pointing fingers at you. So fight. Completely avoid distractions. Know what is right for you. எது வந்து இந்த டைம்ல எனக்கு ரொம்ப தேவையா இருக்கோ அது மட்டும் தான் ஃபோக்கஸ்ல இருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னடா, the sleep. Restrict sleep to maximum of 6 to 7 hours. You cannot go less than this. I'm telling you, it will affect your health, Dakana. And last but not the least, Ekalavya Test Series 2.0 launch vandirukka. I know majority 1.0 students are telling me, ma'am, can we also get offline access? Kana, very simple technical problems, I'll tell you. I have already spoke to the team about it. I got some messages yesterday and I spoke to the team about it. First thing, Kana, we do not have access to your numbers. Ipa register pandra students ku vandu namakku oru WhatsApp pop-up message podlam, and adula and the student vandu select panna endha சென்டர்ல போய் ஆஃப்லைன் எக்ஸாம் எழுதணும்னு. அண்ட் அக்கார்டிங் டு தட் நமக்கு வந்து OMR ஷீட் எல்லாமே அங்க செட் பண்ணலாம். கரெக்டா? செகண்ட் என்ன, நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி எடுத்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். ஸோ டு கான்டாக்ட் யூ பீப்புள் டு ட்ராப் டவுன் அ வாட்ஸ்அப் மெசேஜ், இட் இஸ் அ லிட்டில் டிஃபிகல்ட் ரைட் நவ் பிகாஸ் மெனி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஹவ் given numbers. Some have not even given numbers, some have given numbers, but we do not have all the numbers which are registered, which have WhatsApp also. And the mari small issues are there. But if anything is possible in the coming days by my end, I will definitely do it. Yesterday I saw a comment, immediately I called them and I told them, number 1.0 students, see Kana, this is not any kind of extra thing that I did it. This came from the top. Nama Vedantu Learning Center team told that நீங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ஆஃப்லைன்ல எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணோம்னா, அந்த நீட் 2026 ஓட அந்த ஃபியர் டிலீட் பண்ணோம்னா, we are ready to take the responsibility and they have come up with the 4 offline tests. It is not any idea from my end. ஸோ அதனால do not think that மேம் 1.0 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து நீங்க இக்னோர் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க, இது எல்லாமே பிசினஸ் தான். ஏன்னா this is not my idea. This has come from the VLC center because many students have approached them. Many students have called them telling that need to the fear irukka. Can I come to the offline center and write mock paper with the students in the VLC center? Adukkaga offline center eduthirukra or extra decision da in the Ekalavyaல. And since you guys are paying money for it, we thought okay, let's add it in this. Avlo dada kana, there is nothing called as I want to differentiate you people. You have spent a amount. Even in 1.0, even in 2.0, I want you to get full benefit of it. Clear? But டைம் டு டைம் எப்படி இருக்கோ அந்த பேசிஸ்ல கொஞ்சம் டிஃபரன்சஸ் வரலாம். அந்த ஒரு டைம்ல பார்ட் டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ அந்த பேப்பர்ல 1.0ல நம்ம கொஞ்சம் பார்ட் டெஸ்ட் ஃபோக்கஸ் ஆயிருந்துச்சு. இந்த இதுல ஃபுல் டெஸ்ட் ஃபோக்கஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. கிளியரா? ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஆல் இட் இஸ். கனா லிங்க் இஸ் இன் த டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸ். இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு பை இட், இட் இஸ் அட் 499 for next 48 hours. That is another 24 hours. அதுக்கப்புறம் prices will come back to 699. So before that, make sure you take the choices. Make sure you take, if you have not spent any money for any other test series, you can have it. And how many ever test series you practice, it is actually less. So practice as many as test series possible. In the video வந்து கொஞ்சம் long ஆச்சு because I wanted to give you multiple people's insight. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and those students in Coimbatore, come and meet me. It is going to be super fun.